Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tea with Rajesh. In this series, we'll learn Python. Let's start. Hi, welcome to the fourth video of Python. In this video, we'll talk about integers and floats. As you know, in the previous video, we talked about in general what are the different types of data types. Now onward, in few videos, we will talk about data types. Let's see what is integer. As you know, in any programming language, integer or even in mathematics, integer is a number which can be, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, 0, 0, etc. Similarly, float is a numerical value with decimal point, for example, 2.5, 3.5, even 3.0, minus 4.5, etc. Now, let's take an example. In Python, we can declare a variable, as you know, even can say declare and define a variable like this. Now, what it means? This means there is a memory which store a value 100. This means there is a variable a which is pointing to the memory location 100, where value 100 is stored. If we assign a equal to 200, this means there will be another memory block which will store value as 200, and this a will now point towards this value. This means this a is not pointing to 100, it will start pointing towards 200 again. This means 100 is not overriding. In short, we can say that integer is immutable. I hope you know that immutable means we cannot change. Let's test this in ideally. A equal to 100. We'll just display A. We'll see 100 and we'll check ID of object A. It's ending with 792. Now reassign A equal to 200. Let's check the value of A now. It's 200 and check ID of A. See, it's different. It means it's immutable. It's not overriding the value which is earlier stored as 100 with 200. Rather, it's creating or pointing to new memory location which is having value as 200. Let's check some more example. A equal to 246. Just type random numbers and display, storing the value. Now here you can imagine or you can think that why how it's allowing the this type of number or even can say a larger number to a variable. Answer is simple. A is not having fixed size. As you know, in other programming languages, it's having specific size of bytes. For example, int short int 2 byte, right? Like that, right? Or int big int, and so on. It's having specific size for that particular data type. But in Python, this is not the case. Let's check the size of this variable. Print a dot size of, this is the function, 36. Now let's talk about float. Let me drag int. Okay. So see an example, a equal to 50.5. So you can declare like this, or a equal to minus 15.5. You might also know that floating point number can also be written as 50.5. This number can be written as 55 and e minus 1. This means there will be e raised to power minus 1 upon 10, and you will get this number. Let's check this ideally. A equal to 50.5, display A. Now A equal to 505 E minus 1. Now print A is 50.5. So in short, we can also initialize a number or define using this notation.